It's holiday time again, and we wanted to get this videotape out about how Chef Pete makes pork ribs in the pressure cooker and then takes them out, puts them under the broiler, and makes them the easy way without going outside in the heat to a barbecue. But if you like to go to a barbecue, that's your preference. That's okay. We live in Las Vegas and it gets to be pretty hot here. So unless I'm barbecuing at midnight, I do the ribs this way. So here's a little tip. Get yourself some nice ribs, some nice pork ribs, because I'm making pork ribs. And then I'm going to use, I have open our Breville pressure cooker. Okay? And the way you do this with the pressure cooker is it's really simple. You get yourself 2 cups of water in the pressure cooker on the bottom, okay? 2 cups of water. Now, you can make your own barbecue sauce using ketchup, brown sugar, some hot chili sauce, some different things. If you like to make your own, you can do that now. If not, you can get yourself some good jarred or bottled barbecue sauce like I have. This particular one is Sweet Baby Ray's. It's honey barbecue, okay?
That's the best one.
And yeah, Anthony likes that. And then what we do with this to make this really simple is in goes the ribs. So we just lay them right on the bottom. One.
So it goes meat down? Or?
It goes just like this. You lay them in. If you have a rack and you don't want them to sit in the water, into the water bath, you can set them on the rack. Either way, the pressure cooker will create pressure. The boiling sauce will get into them and make them very, very tender. Okay, now with some of this, I'm going to now go with the sauce right on top because I'm not making it today. I'm not going to make it. I'm going to do it the easy way. Right on top, right on top, right on top, like that, right on top. Just right on top, just like that. Now what's going to happen is when I put this on pressure cook, and we're going to pressure cook it for boned in meat, and it's going to be, if you're Instapot, this is a Breville, but irregardless, about 50 to 55 minutes to an hour, and it will then depressurize. You will take it out of here, okay, and you'll put it, because now we've got cooked beautifully fall off bone meat, right? We're going to take it out, put it on our sheet pan, get it under the broiler in your oven, put some more sauce on top, get it to where the sauce is bubbly, 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 the barbecue sauce on the top, and you're ready to serve your family a whole bunch of beautiful pork ribs, and there we have it. Okay, so I'm going to do this, and then we'll show you later on when this comes out of the oven how bubbly it looks, and I go to the table, and I sit down with Anthony, and we have a barbecue ribs feast. Okay, so there we have it. Thank you so much, all of you. Go to the playlist. The playlist, we have grouped together the recipes so you guys can look at them all. Go to the playlist, watch them all, select what you want, do whatever. The playlist make it easy on everybody. If not, watch the shorts, watch the longs, watch the longs, watch the shorts. There you have it. This is Pete, as always, thanking you all. I'm going to turn this on so we can have a feast. Pete, out!